Good afternoon, thanks for watching people. Now what I'm going to do is start by looking at this class 56. It's quite an old one, it's the old Hornby mainline workings. What we've done is we've taken the old incandescent bulb out and fully transformed it and made it quite a modern loco. So yeah, what we've done is this is one that we bought second hand. What we've done is we've totally stripped it. Obviously you can see in the other videos with the cab lights and bits like that. But what we've done now is fitted a 21 pin socket board in there, which is an Illuminator Models product, running a Bachmann 21 pin 2 function decoder. And what we've also done is fitted DCC specific switchable lighting. So what this means is it just adds that extra bit of detail to the loco, that extra bit of which you don't get with normal locos. So what I'm going to do is start by talking about why it's so different from a normal set of loco lighting. Firstly, because we've taken the time to sort of change the light colours and intensity, but also we've made this main headlight here switchable. So what you can do is, if you've got a sound in the loco and you're doing some shunting duties, you can just have the marker lights running. You don't have to have the main headlight on. So like so, I'll just switch it on and off a few times. We're using the Gauge Master setup, which is running from a PC, so it's quite simple and easy to use. But yeah, it really does add that extra bit of realism to the layout, especially when shunting. But also at the back, you've got the rear lights on, and taking advice from sort of the Bachmann or the Hatton 66, giving it switchable rear lighting. So obviously if you're pulling any rolling stock or anything like that, you can switch these off like so, switch them on as and when you want, just by using a functional decoder. So yeah, that's quite a brief tour of the loco with the switchable lighting. What I'll do now is I'll actually show you the kit itself, how it comes, which is this here. So it comes pre-wired, comes with all the LEDs on a board, so there's no need for spacing or any issues like that. Simple to fit. All you do is you literally fit the board in, glue it in with some epoxy, fit either end in, then you've got this main central circuit board here, which is what you solder 3 or 5 wires to, depending on how you want to run it. You'll see that there's a couple of switches on there, and with the loco, if you don't want to have switchable tail lamps or switchable main headlight, you don't have to use the function. You can just switch the switch and it will run as normal, or you can switch the switch the other way, which means it's reliant on using the function of the decoder. I know that's a bit hard to explain, but if you want to run a function, you switch it on, and if you don't want to run a function, you can switch it off. So yeah, looking at this, how easy is it to install? Obviously we spoke about fixing the end boards in and bits like the wires already pre-fitted, but actually wiring it up, we've made it quite simple. We've got 5 solder pads down here. You've got your generic 12 volt, which is your blue decoder wire. It uses your white and yellow decoder wire for front and rear running. But then if you want to use the switchable red tail lamps, you wire your function to that solder pad there. So it'd be like the green decoder wire or bits like that. And then if you want to have the independent main headlight, you use that solder pad there. So all in all, I mean, this loco took us about 25 minutes to fit and wire that all in. And okay, it all depends on your wiring skill, but obviously that board there's some wires going straight to the 21 pin socket. So yeah, it's nice, easy, simple to fit. Don't need massive soldering skills because they're quite big solder pads. Nice, easy, simple to use. So yeah, nice product. Really enhances the model. And obviously if you've got a decoder with enough functions, with the added cab lights in this, it really does look like a brand new, even better than a brand new loco. But yeah, this is obviously for a class 56. The current range, we do the 47, obviously the 56. We do the 59-02, which is like the Yeoman, and the new GBRF Class 59 from Hornby with the twin head code. We do the 58 as well, and the 67 in this. The 67 looks quite good. The old, before Hornby improved it, it does look quite good. So yeah, these are on our website at the moment. So yeah, head over, have a look at them. And any questions, send us a message, or yeah, send us a message or ask us any questions. But yeah, thanks a lot, people. Bye bye.